So I'm going to be going over how to use Coinbase Pro to make money in 2021 on your iPhone. Okay, so Coinbase Pro is actually a really cool app. It's an extension of Coinbase. So as long as you have a Coinbase account, you can automatically use this. Now, as I'm going over this, if you guys could smash the like button on this video. And of course, if you want to get started here, I'll throw some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. Now, there are 3 different ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency, right? So you can long-term hold. That's when you hold it for over a year. You could do what's called swing trading, where you buy in usually when there's a dip, and then you're looking to sell a little bit later on, usually to make anywhere between 5 and 10%. You can also day trade crypto, which I recommend never doing because you'll never make money doing that. I've tried it, but Coinbase Pro, what's cool about it is, you can pull up some different graphs here for the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, etc., to get a really close look at how particular coin's performing. Now, I've got Ethereum pulled up right here for a reason. In the last couple months, I've actually made a really good amount of money swing trading Ethereum. So basically, you want to buy crypto when it's going down. You never want to buy when things are going up, which is something that's hard to understand. But what's cool about using Coinbase Pro is they've got stop limits on here, which is very powerful. It'll help you, automatically sell something after you maybe hit a certain price. And it's something that you're going to need to get good at if you want to, get into this whole trading crypto thing. Anyways, right now there's somewhere around 40 coins that you can buy, sell, and trade on Coinbase Pro. We're going to take a closer look at it, so let's do that. Okay, so I've got the regular Coinbase pulled up because I want to go over swing trading a little bit more so you understand what it is. And for this example, I'm going to pull up Ethereum. Now, this is a coin that I've actually swing traded quite a bit, and I'm going to show you how it works. So the thing you got to understand is, and this is really the most important, never buy crypto when it's going up. You want to wait for it to crash, usually and kind of recorrect in price from wherever it's at. Now, looking at this right here, let's say, for example, you bought in at $15.97, and then the price went up to right around $17.45. Now, this is where you have wanted to sell, somewhere around this price. And basically what you're looking to get is anywhere between a 5 and 10% return. And you want to do this over and over again. Now, the reason you're trying to do this is because it allows you to compound your money faster, especially if you're not working with a whole lot. The returns can actually be really good. You know what I mean? So when you get good at this and you get good at using stop losses and understanding, charts for different coins, that's when things can really take off for you. Now, you want to be using Coinbase Pro, which I've got pulled up here. I just wanted to go over the charting on the regular Coinbase a little bit easier. Coinbase Pro, the fees on here are 0.5 for buying, at 0.5 for selling. So, they're very low. When you're using the regular Coinbase, it could be anywhere from, 0.5% to 1.5%. But, basically the same thing on here, guys. What I wanted to really just show you here is that they have what's called stop losses. This is so important, something you should definitely look into. Let's say that you're up maybe 5 or 6% on a coin like Ethereum, and you can set a stop loss to lock in those profits. So if it drops to a certain price after you've made your 5 or 6%, and you just kind of want to ride it up to see if it goes up, and then you could also just set it to sell if it falls to whatever price you set it at. So it's very powerful. I've done this quite a bit, especially on Coinbase Pro with Ethereum, even over the last couple of months. I don't know the exact amount I made with Ethereum, but I probably made, at least a few $1,000s buying and selling it here on Coinbase Pro. I was using about $10,000 to do that, so that's like a 30 or 40% return. But you guys get the idea here. Anyways, using Coinbase Pro to make money on your iPhone is extremely easy. If it's something you want to learn more about, I will throw some resource links in both the description and comments of this video. Please smash the like button. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you on the next one.